Today in Unit 9, Lesson 6, we're talking about simple interest, which is about money. Simple interest is something that you are, I'm sure, going to see if you have a credit card or a bank account. So interest is the amount paid by the bank when you save money. So when you put money into your bank account, it earns you interest. It's also the extra amount that you pay for borrowing money. So if you borrow money from the bank, like you take out a loan or a credit card is the same as borrowing money from the credit card company, you have to pay that back plus extra. The extra is the interest. The principal is the original amount. So since it's the original, it always counts as the 100% in our percent proportion. So it'll always go on the bottom. And the rate, that is actually what the percent is. They will call it a, they probably won't say the percent, they'll say the rate and it'll have a percent sign. So that's the principal that is charged if you borrow money, or it's paid by the bank when you invest your money. And then the last part is time, which is how long you take to pay back your money or how long you keep your money in the bank. So if you have more time, it's more interest. That's good if you are saving your money, but not good if you are paying it back a loan. So to calculate simple interest, we're going to use our regular percent proportion. It's going to be the part over the whole one, because you pay part of the total amount, or you could say the original. So it's part of the original amount, and it's still percent over 100. But the trick is that the percent proportion can only calculate it for 1 year. That is extremely important. So you can't use this for more than 1 year. There's also a formula that you might see. It's I equals PRT. If you really want me to show you that, I will, but the percent proportion is much easier because we've already been working on that. So you multiply, after you find the interest for 1 year, then you can multiply to figure out how much it is for more than 1 year. So let's try a problem. Sarah Lucia deposited $1,200 in an account earning 8% simple interest. So 8% is our percent, that's our rate. And she deposited $1,200, so that's the original amount. So I set up my percent proportion frame. First, they say, what is the account balance after 1 year? So account balance means how much is in her account, not how much interest. So my original amount was $1,200. The simple interest rate is 8%. And then I put my X in my missing spot because we're looking for the interest. When I cross multiply, I will get $96. So $96, that is how much interest the bank is going to pay her. But that's not what the question is asking. The question is asking you for the bank balance. So your balance in your bank account is how much money you have in there. So she started with $1,200. Then the bank will put in $96, and we will add those together to get $1,296 in interest. Or I'm sorry, in her total bank. That's how much total is in her bank account. Now, at the end of that year, she deposited the balance of the account into a CD. That's a different type of account with usually it has a higher interest rate. So she took the money out of there, she put it in a CD, so she probably was saving it and couldn't spend it. And she's earning an 8% simple interest rate. They want to know what is her account balance after another year. So this time, the original amount is the $1,296. Now, I would like you to try to figure out the rest of this problem. Look back at the letter A of example 1 to help you, and check it with the Edpuzzle video.